Hello everybody and welcome to another session of RapidMiner. This time not about processes and workflows and operators, but actually about Python. And you may not know this, but RapidMiner is really a platform for three things. It's for workflow-based data science, it's for automated or guided data science, and code-based data science. So let me show you how this works. So what you see here is a RapidMiner AI Hub. And a RapidMiner AI Hub gives you the ability to use RapidMiner Go for automated machine learning, but also RapidMiner Notebooks. And RapidMiner Notebooks, if I jump over here, first of all gives you one thing, which is pretty cool, a full-blown Jupyter Hub environment integrated in the Docker environment of the AI Hub, where you can do, well, whatever you want to do with your Python code. And this really gives also Python coders the ability to use the platform of RapidMiner with a tool they like. But there are many interconnections between the different things in the AI Hub and in the RapidMiner universe. Let me show you just one thing in this video. So there is a library called RapidMiner, which you can use in Python, which gives you the ability to connect to projects. Remember, projects are the central piece where you can store all kind of things, data and processes, and actually Python script or Python notebooks. And here what I do is I connect to my project and then I read a dataset I previously created in RapidMiner Studio with a workflow. And then I write it back just like that. And then it's also usable from notebooks and from Studio. So this gives you one way of interacting between the different ways of how you do data science. In later videos, we'll go deeper about what else you can do in conjunction with notebooks and workflows, or just with notebooks alone. As I said, we really support all three ways of doing data science. But that's for another video.